Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, in this video today we are going to discuss some of the very important points for your upcoming GATE exam preparation. As we are having just near about 1 month now before your GATE exam, so in this video we are going to discuss some of the points which will be effective in doing the preparation for the upcoming GATE exam in the remaining time. So if you are even not confident about your preparation till now, okay, or even if you are having your friends in your contact, those who are not that much confident about their preparation, you can share this video with them as well. And all these steps, all these points which we will cover up in this video will be effective, so you can start working on them, okay, once you are gonna know about these points. So the strategy is CPR strategy. Okay. Now, what is this strategy and how it will work and what you exactly need to do in this process? Okay, how you will do the preparation and how it will be helpful to for you to score good marks. We'll talk about all these things now. But before that guys, one more thing, that is if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, please subscribe this channel too. Okay, you can click on the subscribe written below this video and that's how you can subscribe this channel. After clicking on the subscribe, you will get the bell icon there. You can click on that too, and that's how you will be able to get the notifications regarding the new and the important videos I will provide you and I will upload on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Now let's continue the discussion. So guys, in this CPR strategy, what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to manage the time. Okay, and how you can manage the time on everyday basis, you need to follow this timetable. Okay, so how you can manage your time, I'm going to give you one example first and then I will talk about all the steps you will have to follow in this strategy. So the first thing is you can make different slots of your preparation, and what you will have to do in those slots I will tell you. And approximately you should try to devote 3 to 4 hours, okay, for one particular slot. Now you can change the time too, you can make the changes in the timetable as per your convenience, okay, and you can consider whatever will work more better for you, you can consider it. So 3 to 4 hours, okay, almost 3 slots you will have to make, okay, for every day. Done. Now once you are going to finalize it, you don't need to make this timetable again and again. No, once you are going to finalize the timing, that's it. This is how you will work on the everyday basis. So 3 slots you are going to make, which will be of 3 to 4 hours each. Done. So let's say from the morning, since morning you are going to start your preparation, okay, when you wake up, you want to give some time to revise the concepts you have prepared till now and all, so you can consider 1 hour for that. Even if you want to increase it, you can consider it 1.5 hour. Done. In the same way, if you want or you think you will have to devote 2 hours, you can consider that. So the time you can change it as per your convenience. Done. After that, the next slot again, either 1 hour slot or 1.5 hour slot, whatever timing you are gonna consider, you should be able to focus on your preparation at that point of time. For that much duration, you should be able to focus completely, okay, and whatever you are gonna prepare, it should be something which you are gonna get well, okay, and next time when you are gonna revise it, you should be confident about that thing. So that's how you need to prepare. Done. So 1.5 hour, different slots. If you are considering 3 hours for one particular task, you will have to make the 2 slots for that. In between you can take break, or if you are comfortable in considering 2 hours together or 3 hours together, okay, it's up to you. But if someone is there like who is not comfortable in considering 2 or 3 hours together, okay, they can split it in different slots and then they can just consider this thing. Done. So 3 hours for one slot. So let's say you have started with 1.5 hour slot, that means 1.5 hour. Then another slot in between, you want to have breakfast, or you want to just have something, you want to rest, even you can do that. So you are gonna take some break in between. Clear. Again some break after this 1.5 hour slot, or you can even make it one. It's not fix, you can make the changes in the timings, or something like 1 hour slot you need, you can make the changes there. Done. So make such type of slots. And how many, it depends that one slot of how much time you are gonna take. So 3 to 4 hours one slot, okay, then 3 to 4 hours another one. If you think you will only be able to devote 3 hours, it's okay. Done. 3 to 4 hours another one. That's why I'm writing 3 to 4, because as per your convenience you can consider it. 3 slots in a day you need to consider. That means overall these 3 to 4 hours you will have to devote for one thing, these 3 to 4 hours for another, and these 3 to 4 hours another. It's not like this that in sequence you will have to do one particular thing. No, you can even do them in the alternate manner. It's up to you. Now, what is this CPR strategy? Let's talk about it. That means in one particular slot, okay, prefer to do it in this way, that in the morning time, even just half an hour or 1 hour, whatever time you can devote, start by doing the revision of some previous concepts you have prepared, so that they will keep on becoming strong. Or you can even make the changes in this thing, that what you are gonna consider firstly in the morning. Okay, you can sometimes do the revision, sometimes do the like previous year questions, sometimes whether the question part you can take later on, that will be more better, and sometimes you can prepare some concepts and important topics. So here C stands for the concepts or important topics. Okay, P stands for previous year questions, which is very important thing for the CSIR net, the GATE exam, as well as for CSIR net it is important, but for GATE exam right now we are mainly going to talk about it. So it's gonna be related to previous year questions. Okay, and then R for revision and analysis of your preparation, even you can consider in this part. Okay, so you need to do one thing in the last 1 month. You need to do these 3 things or focus on these 3 points mainly on everyday basis. Okay, prepare some concepts, do the previous year questions. Even it's not necessary that you will do only questions based on the concepts you have prepared. You can even consider them in any order, in any sequence, because there will be so many previous year questions you will have. So if you will keep on considering them along with the concepts in 1 month, you may not be able to get that much as you can get in this way. Okay, and for this thing, when you are doing any random previous year questions based on any topic, or let's say you are doing firstly for mathematical physics, so any concept, any topic based questions you are keep on doing. Okay, so for that it is important that at least you should have some solved questions, or these previous year questions if you will have in the solved manner, then it will be easy for you to understand the steps, get them if you don't know about them. Okay, and then check out the process, know the concepts, and even when you are solving the previous year questions, you can learn many new things. And you don't need to only focus on solving the question, you also need to consider it in this way, that okay, what I'm doing in this particular question, what are the steps I'm taking, am I getting it well, that what is the reason to take this step. If you are getting that, that means you are doing it right as you need to do. And if you are just focusing on one single question, that okay, this is the question, I need to solve it, and okay, if this is the question, I will take this step, that's it. No, you have to consider either the condition or the topic. Okay, this is the topic and it is the condition in the topic which I know, or if you don't know, you are getting to know after solving that question. So focus on these things, do the things in this manner. And since previous year question is one of the very important parts of your preparation, if in these 3 to 4 hours you are not able to cover up so many questions, you can increase the time for solving previous year questions, and you can do the variation, okay, in different slots for different things. Okay, so concept preparation, you can consider the quick preparation of the concepts, and since you are having very less time, you can't go for each and every concept in depth, in detail. Okay, so much detail, no. Try to consider it in such a way that which will be helpful for you to solve the numericals, to get most of the questions done. Okay, so along with these things, now revision part is very important. So these are the 3 slots you have made. You can make the changes in the total time. Okay, and that's how you will have to do the preparation in these 3 slots, by considering these 3 things. And if you are going to do it in this way for last 1 month, because now you are just having last 1 month remaining, you will be able to see the difference in your preparation, and you will even be able to see the difference, or you will be able to see like, oh, your result has improved. Okay, you will be more confident about your preparation too. So guys, this was the CPR strategy. I hope it will be clear to all of you now, and yeah, you can follow these steps. You can do it in this way, and yeah, it will be effective. If when you are starting preparing with this strategy, if you are seeing or you are feeling like, okay, if I will make this one change, it can be more effective, you can do that, okay, as per your convenience. So I hope everything will be clear to all of you. Also, you can share this information with all your friends too, those who are preparing for the exam. Also guys, one more thing I would like to tell you here, that as you all know, on Unacademy Plus we are having so many important Unacademy Plus courses going on for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE exam preparation by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exams preparation. So if you want to attend the more regular live classes of all these important courses by all the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. So by using and by applying this referral code, you can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount, and you can prepare very well for your upcoming exam. As guys, in the previous videos, even I have provided you the information related to the price hike for the Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So earlier, like it was the information like, yeah, there can be price hike like before even the January month will start, but now the latest update is that now the price hike can be from 4th January. Okay, so even if still you were like you have not taken the subscription and you want to take the subscription, so before 4th January, on the current prices which were already there is no price hike till now, okay, and it may be effective now from 4th January done. So you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription before 4th January, and wherever you are gonna take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here. Okay, so guys, this is the latest update, and yeah, you can even check out the courses on Unacademy Plus we are having for the Unacademy like for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE exams preparation. So all these courses by all the top educators will help you a lot to prepare for the upcoming exam. Okay, so guys, you can take the subscription today if you want to attend those regular live classes of well structured and well planned courses by all the top educators, and you can prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.